Welcome back to another epic episode of New Trend Outdoor, where we are in the third week of August, putting the finishing touches on this premium client home with the customers, selected contractors preparing a product demonstration of New Trend's best choice materials for gates, security fencing, customer preferred combination lock boxes with keys, barrel roll bearing system for retractable gating, all designed with the client intentions in mind.
I'm ready for anything that they can bring it on, let me do my thing. I'm a giant, they can't move the king. If you never risk it, then you never know. If it's holding you back, you gotta let it go.
Special thanks again to the various crews for the assistance in processing the final connections of the gates and track systems. In addition, a special thanks to Lukas for orchestrating the installation and alignment of the posts to attach the security fencing and planning with Joe Pozeg with the final gating design and closures. This product demo will show various skilled welders to make connections to finalize the gating systems and balance the rollers to be level with the fence for easy gate roll when you need to open and close a gate. As basic as it sounds, it's important to level, shim, and space the gate from the post to eliminate any sticking or scratching.
One disclaimer: when shimming any metal product to set in place for roller product, whether rubber or metal grease bearings, is to eliminate heat sources from significantly scorching the products and ensure no direct flame or heat source is getting on the rolling product itself.
After the customer's contractors have installed the product, or if you are experienced in this level of do-it-yourself in these projects, clean up the welds with a wire brush or abrasive wheel, then make sure no hanging slag or sharp objects are hanging off the hinge fixtures, then coat with zinc paint and finishing black matching spray paint to touch up weld point connections once cleaned and cooled. For this final part of the demo, make sure to tape off other surrounding areas to avoid overspray of paint. Next, adjust the bolts on the upper rollers to keep the vertical level, followed by leveling the closing gate to be the symmetrical height to finish the professional presentation to a world of time and effort to complete.
Remember, you've got a friend at New Trend. Thanks for watching.